Hi guys, I would like to show you a recipe which I tried today, how to make paneer butter masala in a super easy way. Add hot water to 250 grams of paneer, keep it for 5 minutes, drain it and keep it aside. Into a pan, add 1 tablespoon of ghee, 2 small cinnamon sticks, 3 cloves, 4 cloves of garlic, small piece of ginger and 2 green chilies. Here I have chopped all the veggies roughly because I am going to grind it later. Add enough salt and saute it well. 2 large tomatoes and saute it well. Number of cashews. Add 1 teaspoon of cumin. Close the lid and cook it for about 5 to 10 minutes. And then turn off the flame. Let it cool for some time. And once it's cooled down, transfer it into a mixer grinder and grind it into a thick paste. Into the same pan, add 3 tablespoons of butter. Add the grinded mix. To that, add 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala powder, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder. Mix it well. Add paneer cubes, 1/4 cup of water. Add enough salt, 2 teaspoons of Kasuri Methi and cook it for about 10 to 15 minutes. And then turn off the flame and add 3 tablespoons of fresh cream. Serve hot with parathas, rotis, naan, etc. Enjoy!